I'll give the solutions for quiz 3. There are total 5 questions in quiz 3. So let us see the solutions one by one. First question. There is an array, and on that array of size 1 to n, so on that reverse operation is performed from 1 to k, then from k plus 1 to n, then from 1 to n. So what will happen to an array? So let us see, I have an example array here. So array is from 1 to 7, n is 7, and k is something, let us say 3, k is 3. If reverse from 1 to k is performed, that is 1 to 3, so it is 2, 3, 4. So it will be 2, 3, 4. So it is reversed. Then reverse from k plus 1 to n is performed. So k plus 1 to n. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So this portion is reverse, and again that portion is also reverse. Then reverse from 1 to n. 1 to n. So this entire array from 1 to n, it is reversed. So it is 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5. Right? So I'll remove all this and write them. 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is the result. So what has happened to an array? If you observe, there is an operation that is called as left rotate or right rotate. So left rotate means what? Take out 5, shift all the elements and insert 5 at the back. So that is called as left rotation. So if you are doing one time, then one element, that is 5, will move at the back and all the elements will shift here. So if you observe, suppose this 4 was here, then if you left shift, all the elements will move here and 4 will go there. So yes, 4 has gone there because of left shifting one time. Then what about 3? 3 is also gone by left shifting. What about 2? 2 has also gone there. So 2 was there in the beginning of the array, initially. Now it is there. Means first 2 is sent there, then 3 is sent, and 4 is sent, and all the time the elements were shifting here. So if you perform left rotate for 3 times, this is the result. So what is 3 here? K. So left rotate for k times, that is 3 times. In our example, it is 3. So if a array is left rotated for 3 times, this will be the result. So once again, I'll tell the question. On an array, if these 3 operations are performed, then how the result looks like? The result looks like as if array is left rotated for 3 times or k times. So yes, that is the answer. Left rotated for k times. Then let us look at the next question. This is a simple one. I have 500 elements. I may be getting from the keyboard. Imagine I'll be getting the elements from the keyboard as input in my program. So I'll be getting 500 elements. What are the elements? The range of the element is 0 to 100. Means any element you take, it will not be less than 0, it will not be greater than 100. So the elements are like 5, 3, 7, 20, 35, 45, 35, 95, 85, 85, 75, 85, like this the numbers are there. How many? 500 numbers are there. That's it. Next. So in this, if you have observed, elements may be repeating. Yes, because there are 500 elements. Suppose the marks of 500 students. Now many students may be getting same marks because the marks are ranging from 0 to 100 only, and there are 500 students. So yes, more than one student may be getting same marks, like 10 student got 50 marks or 30 student got 90 marks. It may be there. Yes. So more than one student may get same marks. Imagine it as marks. Now what we want? We want the frequencies of those marks which are greater than 50, means 51 onwards, 51 onwards. So we want the frequency, like how many got 51 marks, how many got 52 marks, how many got 53 marks. That is frequency. How many means? That is frequency. Frequency of the elements greater than 50. So for storing only the frequencies, not the numbers, just the frequencies, what size of array you need? You need an array from 51 to 100. Total how many elements? Just 50 elements. So you need an array of size just 50. Array of size 50 is sufficient. For example, 10 people got 51 marks. Store 10 here. 12 people got 52 marks. So store 12 here. So this is just a frequency. This is representing which one? 51 marks, because we know very well that we are taking the frequency from 50 onwards. So this first is for 51 marks, then next for 52 marks, 53 marks, so on. So I have taken up to 50. If you don't want to start from 0, you can start from 1 also. But if I remove this, that is from 0 to 49, total what is the size of an array? 50. Because we want only those frequencies whose value is greater than 50. So the answer is 50. So if you relate it with the marks, it's easy to understand. So that's all with the second question. Now let us look at the third question here. The question is, an array is having the elements in increasing order, sorted order, increasing order. And we have to find out a pair of distinct elements, means unique element, such that their sum total is equal to S. So what is S? Let us say it is 10. So I want any two numbers whose sum is equal to 10, right? So I have not written the code, just I will trace it so you can understand it. So for finding that, we have two variables, counters, I and j. I is at 0 and j is at 1. Now we have to find out two numbers whose difference is 10, whose difference is 10. So example 10 I have taken. So let us proceed. What to do? Check a of j minus a of I. Subtract it. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So difference is small. It is smaller than 10. So move. So move which one? Move j. Okay, let us move j to the next element, because the difference was small, less than 10, less than 10. Now check 8 minus 2. It's small, less than 10. So move which one? J. 9 minus 2, it is 7. It is still less than 10. Move j. 13 minus 2 is 11 and it is greater than 10. It's not equal. Then move. Move which one? If you move j, now that difference will be greater than 10 only. No, we want equal to 10. So now it is greater. So move what? I. So it means if the difference is greater than s, move I. If it is less than s, then move j. So move I. Okay, move I. Now check the difference. 13 minus 4 is 9. So the difference is less than s. Move j. 16 minus 4, 12. Difference is greater than s. So change the smaller number. This is smaller, this is bigger number, right? So change the smaller number. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. It is less than 10. So go for a bigger number. 19 minus 8 is 11. Now the number is bigger than s, greater than s. So change the smaller number. Move I. 19 minus 9, 10. Yes, we got it. So the point here is, when we were moving j, when we were moving I, if a of j is minus a of I was less than s, then we were moving j. If they are equal, we have to stop. If it is greater, then move I. So this is what we were doing. So in the question, the code is given. In that I have asked what should be the condition for this one. Here I have given as E, and what should be there? So it should be a of j minus a of I is less than s, then move j plus plus. So the next statement written there is j plus plus. So this should happen if this condition is true. So in the options, the conditions are given. So this is the right option. Now next question is fourth one. There is an array of elements and we have to find out an element which is neither minimum nor maximum. Means in the array, if you see, the minimum element is 3, maximum element is 12. Already I have highlighted it. So we don't want 3 and 12. Other than that, so total how many elements are there? 7. One element is minimum, one element is maximum. 2 elements you leave. 5 elements are there which are neither minimum nor maximum. What are those? 8, 7, 5, 9, 4. 5 elements are there. Out of that we have to pick up any one. So I'll give an example. Suppose there is a class of 100 students and I ask you to call one of the student, right? but don't call Mr. A and Mr. B. Don't call these persons, right? Other than that, you call anybody. So do you have to check all 100 students and then you will bring the person, or you'll just within a few minutes or within few seconds you can catch one person? You can easily catch a person. It will not take much time for you. So similarly, here we don't want minimum element. If we want minimum element, then we have to check the entire array to confirm this is the minimum number. We don't want maximum number. For that also you have to check the entire array and confirm this is the maximum. We don't want the one which is neither minimum nor maximum. So the simple trick here is that you take first three elements. First three elements. We don't know what those elements are. By chance, minimum is there one among them. If by chance maximum element is there in those three elements, means suppose 12 was here or 3 was there, suppose. So out of 3, either one is maximum, one is minimum. We want which is neither minimum nor maximum. So out of these three, this is minimum, this is maximum. This one, middle one, right? Middle one, which is neither minimum or maximum. Yes. 7 is one of the element. 8 is also there, 5 is also there, but we don't know. We don't want to check all. We don't want minimum, maximum, any one element. So any one element means you don't have to check the entire array. Just we want one element. So out of these 3 elements, we leave the minimum one. Maybe that is the minimum element in an array. We leave the maximum thinking that maybe that is the maximum element in an array. Only one element, middle one. Definitely it is neither minimum nor maximum. So how much time it will take to find out an element which is neither minimum nor maximum out of just 3 elements? It takes constant time. Just constant time. You don't have to scan the whole array. That's it. So the time taken is constant. That's what I told you. You have to call somebody, but not A and B. So just catch a person. He is not, oh, he is A, leave it. Next person, he is not neither A nor B. Bring him. That's all. You will not take much time checking all the people out of those 100 people. That's what we did here. Now the last question. The question is, there is an array and we have to find out second largest element. How much time it takes? So for finding largest element, like here the largest element is 15, right? This one, it takes order of n time. Then second time again you search for an element which should be largest but not 15. So one more time. So if you scan the entire array for n, time taken is n, then one more time n, so it is 2n, so it's order of n. Time taken is order of n. So that's it. These are the solution for quiz 3.